Every year, hundreds of Indiana consumers are injured by products that are dangerous or defective. Despite the fact that there's a federal agency, the Consumer Product Safety Commission, that is charged with protecting the public from unreasonable risks or death from consumer products, there's still a lot of dangerous products out there. Today, to talk to us about the legal claims that arise from dangerous or defective products is David Farnball, a personal injury lawyer from the Sweeney Law Firm in Fort Wayne, Indiana. David, thanks for joining us today.
It's great to be here.
From your perspective, why are so many adults and children harmed by defective consumer products every year?
Well, I think one of the main reasons we see so many injuries from defective products is that oftentimes these products are put onto the marketplace with very little testing before they're put on store shelves.
What role do government agencies like the Consumer Product Safety Commission play in keeping those dangerous and defective products off the market?
Well, the Consumer Product Safety Commission is a governmental entity that really serves as a watchdog and keeps statistics and information on harmful products. They have a website that consumers can go to check on whether there's been complaints or issues related to a particular product.
Under what circumstances can the manufacturer of a product be held liable if the person using their product is injured?
Well, a product liability case involves a product that is unreasonably dangerous to consumers. So if a product does not perform as it's expected to perform, or if it malfunctions or does something that causes an injury that should not be expected with the use of that product, there's potentially a legal case flowing from that injury.
Now, are there many lawyers or law firms out there that can handle product liability cases, or is it a specialized area?
I would say there's very few law firms that do handle product liability cases, and the primary reason for that is that any type of a product liability claim, you're going to be going up against a manufacturer that is normally going to be very well insured and have a lot of sophistication and experience with defending these types of cases. So it takes a significant amount of financial resources to handle a product liability claim. So therefore, very few law firms handle these cases.
David, what if one of our viewers is injured by a product that was defective or didn't perform like it was supposed to? What's the first step they would take in pursuing a legal claim?
Well, I think the first step with any type of product liability case, and this sounds simple, but it's important, you have to retain the evidence. Oftentimes in product liability cases, something happens to the machine or the part or whatever that malfunctions, so it's very important to retain the evidence. The other important advice that I can give is for viewers, if you're involved in a product liability claim, oftentimes there'll be investigators or insurance adjusters that are dispatched to the person's home to obtain a statement. I would counsel someone not to give a statement unless you've talked to an attorney first. And then the other advice I would give is that if you were injured as a result of a product that malfunctioned, I would contact a law firm with experience in handling product liability claims.
Mr. Farnball, thank you so much. We appreciate the information you've shared with us today about product liability cases.
It was great to be here.